Hi, welcome to 190 Singletree, located in Donnelly, Idaho. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this house. Check it out to the end. The Wagon Wheel subdivision is very close to the Boulder Creek day-use area. When you walk in the door, you'll see that everything is brand new. This home was just built and it's in amazing shape. This house is just 5 minutes from the Boulder Creek boat ramp, where you can access all that Cascade Lake has to offer. I love this backyard. It's very private and wooded. It's a great area to hang out in the evenings. Not only do you have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but you have RV parking with all available utilities to connect to. Thanks for staying for the full tour of 190 Singletree, located in Donnelly, Idaho. If you have any questions about this lock and leave cabin or a perfect home in our area, Valley County, just give me a call.